Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a collaboration and it's called Sweets and Treats and it's hosted by Sandylyn Home and Garden, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and the co-hosts are Decorating with Jazigreen, Jennifer at Home, and Debbie Rule Life in the Valley, and myself, Soniadownsouth. And the theme for our collaboration today is Easter cookies. So we're going to be working with some Easter treats and Easter cookies. And when you finish watching my channel, I hope that you go over to the other ladies' channel and watch how they decorate and they serve you Easter treats. Okay guys, here we are at my little section for my sweets and treats. And I finished putting all the treats and sweets on the little tier tray, and I have my tea here, my pot here, which hot water in it and my cups, and we're gonna have like just a little tea. So I've got some green tea, and at the end I will show you I'm gonna make tea for my. I'm feeling a little Easter, the little pink eggs look like rabbits. With jelly beans, and some of the ones that's inside of my little centerpiece have already been filled with jelly beans. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull these straws out and I'm going to glue these little rabbits, this is chocolate bunny rabbits, onto the back of these little straws and put them into my centerpiece for another decorative look of rabbits, the chocolate bunny rabbits. Here, guys, I'm hot gluing the foil paper that's on top of the chocolate bunnies onto the back of this straw. So I'm not touching the candy, but I'm hot gluing it onto the foil paper of the little chocolate bunnies. And these are carrot shaped powdered candy, and I'm going to put them in the base of my centerpiece for decoration. But they are powdered candy that the kids can have just when they like to put the powder in their mouth. Here I just wanted to show you how I add jelly beans to this little egg. And my centerpiece is made of candy. Everything you see here, the chocolate rabbits, the jelly beans in the little pink eggs, and the carrots at the bottom are all made of candy. The only ones, the little other eggs is just made of styrofoam, but this is supposed to be a candy centerpiece. Okay, guys, here's my finished little sweets and treat decoration. I decided to do tea as my drink, and I have some hot water, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. But I have 2 tea bags for my 2 cups, and here are these just adorable little cookies that I purchased at Sam's. And then I purchased the 2 little rabbits, pink rabbits at Walmart, along with these little cake pops. I also got those from Walmart, and I got these little yellow bunnies. And now these little bunnies are made of marshmallow. Kids really love those. And my centerpiece was purchased at the Dollar Tree. So all the little items you see here, the straws, the eggs, the bunny faces, the chocolate rabbits, they were all purchased at the Dollar Tree. Okay, guys, I hope that you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed doing it. And don't forget to go over to the other ladies' channels and watch their sweets and treats. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and give me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. And may God bless you, and may God keep you. Bye-bye.